Welcome back to Crumbs. Today we're going to show you how to use one Linkbud from Sony. Say you're on an airplane or you are running out of battery and you don't want to have to, not listen to a phone call or a conference or a video or something like that. We want to use only one. What you can do is keep one of them charging, and let's say the right one, we're going to use it. These have a little sensor, so I'm going to put them on the table, but let's say they were in your ear. Now it's connected and now it would work as normal. I can press play, listen to the music I want. I can change the music, I can play and pause and so on while this other one is charging. When this one is charged enough or I want to have both, I can put them both on, and it works the same way for the other one. Let's put them back in. You'll see how that turns off. Now we'll pull the left one, put it here on the side. Now it'll show that it's connected. Now it's connected. Now we could play, listen to music, pick up a phone call, whatever we want. So you can use one Linkbud at a time with the Sony and the iPhone device of choice. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.